If you're looking for a touchdown of a home in Huntsville, Alabama, this is the one for you. 1112 Legacy Trace Drive. It's about 10 minutes from Providence in MidCity. It's a really, really cool area and location. A lot of recent renovations done here. They actually just added a new bedroom. So it's a true 4-bedroom with an office. Come with us and check this place out. If it's cold outside and you're ready for a new, cozy place to call home, call the Holman Group and come check out 112 Legacy Trace Drive here in Huntsville, Alabama. I'm Nick Holman. I hope you really enjoyed this video and follow along for more. Fix my shirt. It's a little tight. Okay. This is a large. You ever seen a dude weigh 250 wear a large? I could do push-ups. I did push-ups before. Let me put these inside real quick.